Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi, working as art and craft teacher at Meru International School, and today I am here to teach about impression art for tiny tots. For this activity we are going to use hands, fingers and also things which are easily available in our daily life. This kind of messy play finger painting is very important to child's development. It helps body and brain to integrate the information such as they are needed for the later spatial concepts for maths and also some other languages. Finger painting is also a most relaxing and creative way to express their feelings. Even though painting may not be every child's cup of tea, there are lots of benefits that both of you can learn together. For example, they will learn how colors work by mixing colors and also supports sensory integration, which will improve fine motor development by strengthening their fingers and also their hand muscles. While doing this activity, we need to focus on the process but not the output. Now without wasting much time, we can get into the activity. Materials required for this activity are tempera paints, leaves with different shapes, white sheets, and our hand. Now we are going to make peacock using hand impression. Now with the help of finger I am going to apply dots on this. On top of that blue paint, again we are going to put little bit yellow. Now we are going to use sketch pen to draw the eye and also to make the beak we are going to use yellow color sketch pen. I am going to make the legs with the help of orange color sketch pen. Now making feathers with help of green color. Now we are done with hand impression peacock. I am going to make giraffe. Now I am going to turn the page in other direction and I am just making the neck part of giraffe with the help of brush and also creating the head. Now with the help of finger I am going to put dots on giraffe using brown color. Now with the help of this finger paint you can just make edges of the legs and also nose. Now I am going to use brown sketch pen to create the eyes and also tail part and hair on the neck. Now this is the final image of giraffe using hand impression. Now with the help of finger, I am going to make one circle. We are going to make sun using hand impression and also finger. Now you are going to apply until half hand this yellow color to create the sun rays. Now this is the sun. We made through hand impression. Now I am going to make rainbow using hand impression. For this we need to apply colors in rainbow pattern. So you need to apply colors in a rainbow pattern. Now I am going to keep it on the paper. Now this is the hand impression painting of rainbow. Now we are going to make beautiful painting using leaf impressions. Now we are going to apply this on sheet to create a butterfly. Let's see how. Now I am going to use small leaf for the down part. Now with the help of sketch, I am making this. Now I am going to make a flower again with the help of leaf. In this way we can create petals. Now I am going to create leaf. Now these are the final output of our hand impression paintings.
The MCLAP program is integrated into most subject lesson plans and has block periods allocated to it for its implementation right from preschool to senior secondary. The primary years, the child learns team building, collaborative, socio-emotional skills, hard and smart working, positive attitude skills, and many more which are required to build a great institution and a great society. Exposed to careers, profession and industries which are grade level appropriate. When you come to middle school, there are 100 to 120 hours of carefully curated MCLAP program which basically revolves around all of the above at a higher depth. There are regular aptitude tests that are conducted. Basically, the Meruvian is pushed into researching for his or her own future, which is a very exciting space to be in for a child or a parent or the school. For example, if law is picked up as an area of interest, the parent and the child are informed about the job description, the social and emotional intelligence skills that are required for that particular job, the challenges that come with the profession, the famous personalities of that particular industry, the universities and the examinations that need to be written to get into these universities, etc. All these are informed to the parent and the child to make a conscious decision. Along with this, 1 or 2 weeks externship program is designed based on the profession, career or industry the child picks. It's mapped to the child and it has to be pre-decided. so that we have enough time to curate that kind of program for them. All this enables the child and the parent to make a conscious decision which is more methodical, research oriented, passion oriented, based on capabilities and abilities of the child, and most importantly, happiness is the reason why a child should pick up their future in this manner.